Without further ado, here we go. Let's get something really interesting going here. Yeah, it's a little diagonal action. These home decor acrylic paint, a simple white paint you can find anywhere. This one I bought it at Michael's. So it's nice and easy here. Let's see a little close-up here, perhaps. There you go. So I know what I'm doing, sir. Here you go. I can see what I'm doing. That's what I meant to say. There you go. And if you feel like there's certain things you want to add, here you go. Just add a little bit more here. A bit more here. Leaf. What kind of leaf? This gold leaf that I got off of Amazon. I will feature, maybe put it up on view. Let's see how that works. First time I'm doing this and see how that's working out for us. Off of Amazon, about $6 is what they were charging. So a little brush right here and just kind of dab it into place and see how this works out for us as well. Here you go, a little gold leaf. It's always good to have a little gold, right? For about $6 is what I paid, I think. Oops, stop shaking. A little red here. A little red. Ding, ding, ding. All across like this, circular. It's kind of like that. See that? Yeah, just kind of see. One thing good about this abstract type of painting is that you can have just all kinds of interesting patterns that you didn't really necessarily anticipate. Right? You can visualize a little bit in your head how you would like this overall composition to be. But a little orange action right here, perhaps. Here. Yeah, just kind of, yeah, right here. Easy, simple. Yeah, just cuts across it like this. Nothing to it, see? And maybe on the side, like this. See that? Yeah. Sharp angles. Cutting across. All right. And perhaps a little bit of brown action maybe. Yeah, there you go. A little brown action for us here. Not sure exactly why. Here you go. Perhaps there you go. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. So try to keep things simple, and in about, I don't know, less than 10 minutes, as you can see, this beautiful abstract kind of piece, something easy to kind of create, just a palette knife, nice little balance between gold, red, black and gray and white, you know, and you can certainly utilize this and use it as a home decor piece for your home or office or